Everyone. Agkukukodigo. Sabi ko, baka malingawan ko sa message ko. So, a warm word of welcome to everyone as we are about to celebrate my daughter's debut. Nagtatangis na kaya. Kaya nga nag-prepare ako, Kati. Thank you for coming. Dawa po nag-uuran. It is a delight to have you with us. And a special thank to those who have traveled far apart. Thank you po. Tadawa nag-uuran sabi ka mo. Nagiging emotional sa ako ta. Ading igin ko sa nasuwish. Sabi si Papa niya. Sabi ko, pwede man kami ngamin para kanya. So, pasensya na po kung nagiging emotional ako kading message ko and welcome remarks. Today is another milestone in my daughter's life, and I am absolutely sure that she will have many milestones in her life.